Welcome back to another new video, and in this video I will be unboxing this 1:32 scale Diecast model of the Honda Acura NSX. But first, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon and also like this video. And I have purchased this model from Amazon. I'll provide the purchase link in the description. So let's get started with the video. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye bye. Take care.